Hi, welcome to Auto Tech Talk. We all know our luxury British car manufacturer rivals, and that is Bentley and Rolls Royce. We all wonder who deserves the crown between them. Make sure to watch till the end because in this episode, I'll be taking you through some critical factors that make the two distinct. And please, if you haven't, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk. Bentley and Rolls-Royce are perhaps the best-known British luxury car producers. They're different and yet similar at the same time, which is a result of their history, which became permanently intertwined in the early 1930s when Bentley was acquired by Rolls-Royce. Another thing these two have in common is the fact that they were initiated by motoring pioneers who were driven by the passion for cars and engineering. Bentley has a racing heritage. At the same time, Rolls-Royce embraces its luxury heritage. Bentley was founded in 1919 by Walter Owen and his brother. Their first sports vehicle, a chassis to be more precise, the Bentley 3L, was shown at the London Motor Show in the same year, while the first cars were delivered in 1921. The model was larger than the other sports cars with more sophisticated technology than many other car brands at the time. The Bentley 3L soon ended the domination of tiny sports cars in racing and attracted a lot of attention among the wealthy British car enthusiasts who formed a group called Bentley Boys. At some point in time, Bentley faced financial issues. Then Walter Owen had to give up the company and degrade from an owner to an employee. At the time, the company was acquired by Wolf Barnardo, who helped the company during financial hardship. Under Barnardo, Bentley produced 5 more models, including the most successful racing Bentley of all time. Rolls-Royce was created by Sir Henry Royce and Charles Rolls in 1904. It also attracted a lot of attention among many car enthusiasts, but in contrast to Bentley, Rolls-Royce focused more on delivering luxury vehicles, especially after the introduction of the iconic Silver Ghost. Right now, we're about to see what actually enhanced the similarity and sharing of the DNA between Rolls-Royce and Bentley in terms of the design, craftsmanship, and culture. In 1929, Rolls-Royce successfully endured the stock market crash. Bentley was negatively impacted by the Great Depression in 1931. Barnardo declared to lenders that he would not be able to settle the debts he had guaranteed, so the court appointed a receiver to Bentley, and Bentley was acquired by Rolls-Royce. Bentley was now under Rolls-Royce. The two became intertwined. They started to share a little bit more DNA in terms of visual appearance and craftsmanship. However, Rolls-Royce continued to be associated with pure luxury, and Bentley remained to produce sports and high-performance vehicles. Bentley created a company with an objective to build a fast car, a good car, the best in its class, as said by its founder. This resulted in the creation of the first 3L, 85 brake horsepower Bentley engine, providing a top speed of 80 miles per hour. Speaking of fast and high performance, Bentley attained victories at Le Mans in 1924, 1927, 1928, and 1930. Rolls-Royce is more focused on luxury and cruising. Looking at the models such as the Rolls-Royce Phantom, it is a car that induces one to have a chauffeur. With the Rolls-Royce models, it's mostly all about being driven, looking at the features and comfort of the rear passenger seats. Rolls-Royce even took it a step further by adding the Phantom with the extended wheelbase. Each Phantom Extended is singular. No two are ever the same. Each Phantom Extended is crafted to the vision of its patron. As said by Rolls-Royce, that the Extended is made in your image, not for your image. Beauty, luxury, and comfort are combined. The Phantom has the most quiet cabin. Speaking of quietness, Rolls-Royce cars have a foam fill inside the tires to absorb all of the noise and bumps to give you the most silent ride one can desire. Rolls-Royce at the moment is the only company that allows you to build and own the product that they give you. They give you an option to have any kind of bespoke art on your instrument panel. They have over 44,000 color options that you can choose from. You can make any color combination that embraces your character. Not only that, but Rolls-Royce gives you the privilege to own that color. So, should another customer want the same thing, they literally call you and ask for permission if you would want an identical twin. You have that ownership right, and it's only with Rolls-Royce. Expert designers of Rolls-Royce and its craftspeople bring together the finest materials as they work with you to create a Rolls-Royce that is unique as you are. They come together in spirit to match their rare skills, knowledge, and experience to combine colors for the exterior and interior of your car. In conclusion to the Rolls-Royce, it is for those that genuinely value conspicuity. And now, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars introduces Coach Build, a singular creation. As said earlier, only Rolls-Royce is capable of fulfilling such ambitious visions, invoking both legacy and a desire to craft the purest representation of luxury. So, in contrast to Rolls-Royce, Bentley is a manufacturer that produces sports and high-performance vehicles, as well as incorporating luxury at its limit too. So Bentley combines performance and luxury. Regardless, Bentley is still respected and given high credit for providing abundant luxury. They also dedicate and listen to customers' requests with devotion. When you're inside a Bentley, such as the Continental GT Speed, it induces the racing adrenaline in you, and it's hard to resist because of its 600 horsepower engine. The Rolls-Royce Phantom can be compared with the Bentley Flying Spur, which also offers great comfort and luxury. In the interior, it's built of natural materials, wood and leather, crafted by hand to bring out their beauty. We are now in a new era of design where almost everything is going digital. But one other common thing about Bentley and Rolls-Royce is the old-fashioned tradition that they embrace in their vehicles, such as the dial gauges for their speedometers and rev counters, in contrast to the digital clusters in the cars of today. They may be separated in corporate terms, but they share a lot of history. They both value the manner in which people move from point A to B. They live up to the fact that it's not only about the destination, but the way to that destination. Journeys are made extraordinary through exclusive, innovative implementations. At the moment, we've highlighted some of the factors that make the two brands distinct. So the question at the moment might be, which one to go for? It's pretty simple, right? It all depends on what you're looking for. Do you want performance, luxury, and experience all that while stretching your feet on a conference call? Then definitely the Rolls-Royce is an option, or the Bentley Mulsanne or the Bentley Flying Spur is an option as well. Otherwise, if you're looking for luxury and performance, then the Bentley is a brand to go for without a shadow of a doubt. Perhaps one can look at the Bentley Continental GT range models, which have a V8 engine on the base model, going all the way to the W12 engine. Hope you got tons of value. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on anything right here on Auto Tech Talk.